In this video, I'll show you how to reuse this type of wood to create a useful, beautiful item that's easy to make. Hi, I'm Allison. Welcome to another video from Wood Art channel. Please click like, and if you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future posts. The wood used in this project is all pine. Here we have a piece removed from a pallet. It measures approximately 11 centimeters wide by 1 meter long. This other piece measures 7.5 centimeters wide and 1 meter long as well. This plank measures approximately 70 centimeters long by 15 centimeters wide. I'll start by cutting this wood into 2 pieces, each 48 centimeters long. This piece will also be cut to the same size. I'll cut this one into 3 pieces, each 31 centimeters long. Next, I'll run everything through the planer for cleaning. Here, I'll cut these 2 on both sides for cleaning. In the end, the width will be 7 centimeters. These 3, I'll adjust the width to 10 centimeters. I'll remove the joints from here and make 2 pieces, each 5 centimeters wide. With this wood filler in ivory color, I'll cover the nail marks. The application will be done using a metal spatula . In the next step, I'll join these 2 parts with masking tape. I've aligned them very well here, and then I'll tape them. I've set the miter saw to a 45-degree angle, and with it, I'll cut one of the corners. Now, I'll make some markings. I'll take one of these pieces, align them very well, and make a line on the other side. This will be done here as well. With the ruler, I'll measure exactly 11 centimeters from the line that was made. I'll mark it again here, on both sides. With the square, I'll draw a line from side to side. Here I'll position this piece again to make the marking. From the last line that was made, I'll mark 22 centimeters. Here it will be repeated in the same way. I've positioned the combination square at the 3.5 centimeter mark, which is half the width of the pieces, and I'll make the marking like this. On all points, on both sides. I'll position the ruler at about 11 millimeters and mark in the opposite direction. This way, the marking is centered. At the tip where the angled cut was made, I'll mark 5 centimeters. Always on both sides. The opposite direction will be marked at 3.5 centimeters. I've removed the tape, and now the drilling will be done at these points using this 3mm drill bit. The countersinking part is 10 millimeters. On this side, only the drilling will be done. The countersinking will be done on the other side. Here, I'll drill from side to side using this 25mm Forstner bit. In the next step, sanding will be done using the orbital sander with 100 grit sandpaper. Next, the assembly will be done, starting with one piece measuring 48 centimeters and another measuring 31 centimeters. I'll apply glue to one of the ends, here where the marking was made. I'll place it like this, leaving the cut part facing up. This one will be placed like this, aligning it by the outer part. I'll fix it using this screw, which measures 40 millimeters by 3.5 millimeters. With everything well aligned, I can now fix it. I'll check the square. It needs a slight adjustment. Now I'll apply glue to this marking. Here, the other 31 centimeter piece will also be fitted, making sure it stays between the lines that were drawn. Here I'll also apply some glue. At this point, the last 31 centimeter piece will be screwed in. On this piece, I'll apply glue to all 3 points at once. It will be fixed, just like on the other side. I'll check the square again. As you can see, it's good. Before proceeding, I'll clean the excess glue. The 2 remaining pieces will be placed like this. I'll apply a bit of glue. The fixation will be done with nails like this, which measure 2 centimeters long. The other side will be done in the same way. The screw holes will be filled with 10mm dowels. I'll apply a bit of glue to the dowel. I'll press it into the hole. I cleaned the excess glue. I'll do the same for the remaining holes as well. To make everything even, I'll do another round of sanding. I'll also do manual sanding, especially on the edges, to prevent them from being too sharp. The sandpaper to be used is 220 grit. The final finish will be done by applying a wood sealer. It will be diluted with thinner. To add color to the item, I'll mix this special stain in brown with the sealer. The application will be done with this spray gun. For those looking to improve their woodworking skills or get great equipment, check out the selection of links that will help you. They are in the description. Be sure to check them out after this video. To finish, I'll use 90 centimeters of sisal rope, which measures approximately 12 millimeters in diameter. I've already tied a knot at one end. I'll thread the rope through the hole. Like this, on both sides. I'll tie a knot at this end as well. It looks like this. Well, folks, here's the finished project. It's a bathroom shelf. a useful and decorative item that's very easy to make. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Remember that sharing the video is very important, so I can keep bringing more work like this to you. If you want to support the channel with a small amount and gain access to benefits, become a member by clicking the button below. Feel free to leave your opinion about this project in the comments. It would be an honor to respond to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.